Usted me vuelve más loco que las tachas y los papeles. Si tiene novio, ¿qué importa? Vamos a ser infieles. Imagínate el roce de nuestras pieles. Y si le parece, nos vemos el jueves. Que soy prohibido, tú también lo eres. Pero podemos guardar el secreto si quieres. Que nadie se entere de lo que va a suceder. Discúlpeme si el respeto se lo comienzo a perder.
Alright y'all, it is May 4th. Truck meet was yesterday down here in Kyle, and we are gonna go ahead and head over to Houston real quick, just for a couple of hours. And today we're going over with Angel. I'm gonna go ahead and stop at the gas station and show y'all what Angel looking like right now, cause he's looking good. Bro, this homeboy Angel's truck, nigga's on a 411, bro. That boy went lower. This shit looking crazy. Somebody Angel.
Oh shit, damn, bro, that's a professional camera.
Look at Angel, bro. Then I got some gas, and I go ahead over. Too low. Like I said, we're gonna go ahead and head over to Houston real quick. It's a 2-hour and 30-minute drive. Should be there around 7:30. And yeah, we're gonna see what's up over there. Probably take some flicks, and that's pretty much it. Look at what we found on the way to Houston. Got me a little fart machine.
I say, nigga, I'm from the dirty south. With closed mouth, don't get fed. The wish a nigga would, they put money on your head. Hey, got his arm out, he showing money spread. I work for every damn dollar, abbreviation, going feed. My mama went to Carter in 88, she won't be Roxanne. Talking high school, back when still with top 10. My daddy at the Cliff Club, playing bones every night. Heartbreak at a hotel, he made them hoes fit Kelly Price. Candy paint Cadillac with peanut butter inside. My granddad had the sickest whip, I'm talking lose your appetite. Holland Hills, a Pleasant Grove, all down Beltline. My sister got Melissa's on, they sweating like a long one. From the dirty south, with closed mouth, don't get fed. The wish a nigga would, they put money on your head. Hey, got his arm out, he showing money spread. I work for every damn dollar, abbreviation, going feed. I'm from the dirty south, with closed mouths, don't get fed. The wish a nigga would, they put money on your head. Hey, got his arm out, he showing money spread. I work for every damn dollar, abbreviation, going feed. Hey, do it how you do it, but just watch my shoes. Hey, Big T Bazaar always had the latest whoops. Hey, Pofo, we grew up jamming nappy roots. Hey, my mama had that hump in her head, they call it swoop. Hey, used to be at Bobby's, watching cars for a fresh face. Sunday we hit Williams just to eat a sock of Jimmy cake. Jimmy Mary, back when mama sold that Mary cake. My uncle go on.
Alright, we went ahead and pulled over. We're like 5 minutes away from the location, and we're gonna go ahead and swap out my wheels because I don't want to put up on those 20s. Woo. Shit looks crazy. Alright, went ahead and got the wheels put on. Now I just gotta throw my stocks in the back of the bed, and we should be heading over down to the meet. Oh, that's good. We're trying to do it right now. Our wheels are on. We're just gonna go ahead and head over to the spot now. It's looking alright. A little yonky. I know about the fender, but I don't want to hear it.
Put a switch on the Glock, ain't no stopping it. B-nigga know that's the motto. Little bitches, she did like mulatto. Glock when I'm popping it. Ayy, I spend the dime out of town when I'm shopping. I put this shit on, I be popping it. Go. Bitch better get out the way when I'm popping it. Ayy, I spend the dime out of town when I'm shopping. I put this shit on, I be popping it. Go. If I see it, I want it, I'm copping it. I got paper on me like
Compadre, this you? Let's talk about it.
Some documents, go get a Sprite with a foe and I'm dropping it. I don't drink sodas unless it's some walking it. Put a switch on the Glock, ain't no stop. Spend the dime out of town when I'm shopping. I put that diamond shining in the light there and pull up to the scene. All these bitches be staring. Can't trip by no hoe with my bro, we be sharing. These bitches on go, I don't really be caring. She go till she go, ain't moves. I'm wherever a dollar be.
Alright, bro, as y'all can see, we made it to the little meet. We posted up in the corner because shit, we ain't local, we ain't finna take no spots, but niggas wild out when they see a camera. For real. Paleteando. Ay, ay. Strictly forbidden. That thing is fucked. You see his bed?
What happened with Daniel?
He's an empire. Damn! This will go crazy. I love it. Make a sticker like that, where you see how crazy that shit was?
I feel like there's some crash outs right here.
Nigga had to stop right in front of us yet, where he can look at every little detail.
Oh, yeah, he's right there.
Go see him. We had to come to the gas station and buy some snacks, bro, because you're not about to pay $15 for no lemonade, bro. That's where we're going swinging!
What are HP Performance?
We know!
Run to the cops, run to the
¿Quién va desde la? Vivan produciendo. Yeah, it's like wow, wow. Don't get it from me now. Pues todo por lo que quieren.
Dang, look at that.
Perdone que no me vuelvan conmigo, esconderme en los cafetales y no critiquen que ayer tú no vas conmigo. Ay, quiero vivir como Kenny González, en la montaña sin deseo y sin testigos.
El tema para el pueblo ganar. Hay que tener los huevos y se trata la cabeza. Vivimos por los demás, se caigan bien así se desaprenda uno de mostaza y de la que huele a fresa. Y de la que huele a fresa. Yo me descanso solo
You finna get that quad bed, Angel? Like 3 burnouts, bro.
Oh god, she got me pissed off. I gotta go home and cry. Like,
3 hours for nothing! We drove all that for nothing, bro.
I'm gonna whip my ass for nothing, dog.
My truck's gonna break down on the way home for nothing, bro. Me wasn't all we thought it was gonna be, but still had a pretty good time. We're gonna go and head out. Oh shit. Yeah, let me change my light. We're gonna go ahead and head out. We're gonna go take some pictures down at the gas station. It's like 37 minutes away, but after that we should be heading home.
Shit on, you can see what I'm wearing. Diamond shining in the light, they be glaring. Follow me, really him, I'm the nigga, know that's the motto. And the bitch, she did like mulatto. Glock got a switch out. Playboy, she's off the bottle. Sipping codeine on, do the Moscato. Smoking on, do Colorado. When I smoke limit.
Haciendo lana al estilo del rodeo. Perdido llegando.
We're gonna go ahead and flick up at the little infamous gas station down here. Nigga, Angel, bro, this shit's clean as fuck. Banda. Burn out! Oh shit.
Good. Have you been here before?
yeah.
Sir, you need to leave.
I thought it was a Hellcat for real. I thought that shit was a hell nah. That nigga catfished the fuck out of us, bro. Little 5-hour energy. Last time when I went to go pick up the wheels down in Dallas, I drank one and that shit looked hit.
This dude almost died.
What the fuck? I'm trying to get the little flicks. I'm selling these wheels as soon as I get back to Kyle. That's pretty much it. We were just flicking up. We're gonna go eat some canes now. And that should be it for today's video. And I think I fucking just video. We ended up pulling to the canes. And we're just gonna go inside and eat. Should be another video. The rest of the video is gonna be the drive home. But thank you for watching. Alright, we finished up eating at Cane's and we went ahead and put the stocks on. Now we're gonna be heading out back to Kyle. Got the wheels in the back. Y'all ready?
Buenas noches.
Yeah, you ready, Angel?
Yes, sir.
I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am. I'm fast as fuck, boy.
Bro, why am I facing the wrong side of the road, bro?
Hey, put drive to the gas station, see if it still is good.
Alright, let's go. Almost. Damn, bro. So, don't not sleep and drive. I mean, it's not that bad, it's just the bed. Damn, Diego, why didn't you drive, Diego?
Bro, they didn't even text me. I would have drove.
This side's perfect too.
Yeah, this side's good.
What the fuck, bro? I'm finna sue 5 Hour Energy, bro. Bro. Yonk it down. Alright, let's go. Shit, bumper's all good. It's just the other side that got messed up, but that's unfortunate. Now that the sun's out, we can assess the damage a little better. It's not that bad. It's really just the bed. Well, once I take off the bed, I'm gonna have to check everything under, make sure everything's fine. Because in the video that Angel showed me, fucking I was throwing sparks everywhere. I don't know how I didn't mess up my doors or anything. Everything looks fine. That shit was crazy. But I don't even know how my bed like that. I think I probably hit the floor, and then that's what ended up denting my bed, because I don't know how that happened. Next time y'all see this truck should be taken apart all the way completely. I'm bullshitting, but we're not tripping that bad, because it's kind of funny that the only thing that messed up is the bed, because I just bought one not too long ago. We went down to Houston and bought this bed over there, so it really wasn't the worst night. We still had a good time, and we made it home safe, as you can see. Pretty late to school right now. Gonna go ahead and head over. I'm like 15 minutes late right now. As y'all can see, the truck is pretty fine. Nothing major. I'll be ready for a little comeback. It's really nothing. I'm super happy. It's something that I already had at home, so thank God. I still haven't even taken the wheels off, bro. But yeah, that was a crazy night. We'll probably hit Houston like next month. Last video went pretty crazy. Shit got almost 20,000 views. I don't expect this one to pop off, because it would just make sense for one video to go crazy and then the next couple to fail. So thanks for everyone who watched this video. I should be posting the legal pit video right after this video, because I didn't want to post it beforehand, because I was scared that YouTube might take it down, because they've been hoeing on me lately. But that should be it. I'm hoping YouTube doesn't confuse it as a takeover, because it's literally a legal pit. So y'all be ready for that video to come out this weekend. Should be dropping Sunday.